Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here. For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Little Twin Stars Wet n Wild makeup collection. We purchased the collection set from Ulta.com. It was $75 and it came in this really cute Little Twin Stars packaging. We also purchased an extra eyeshadow palette and makeup bag to give away to one of you. Details on that giveaway will be in the description box or in a pinned comment, so make sure to look out for that. Okay, let's get right into it. As you can see, there are a lot of items in this collection. I think we should start with opening the accessories and makeup tools first, and then we can get into swatching some of the actual makeup. First item we have is this makeup brush cup. I really love all the details that they put into the individual packaging. It's so beautiful. So here's the makeup brush cup. You can use this for pretty much anything you want. It is intended to hold your makeup brushes, but you can use this in your bathroom for your soap, or you can put like your bars of soap, or you can put cotton balls or just anything that you wanted. And I'm really impressed with all of these small detail, all of the glitter and the little stars. It's absolutely beautiful. Next item we have here is the makeup sponge set. So here are the makeup sponges. The pink one has Lala and the green one has Kiki. And these are a little smaller than I thought they would be, but they're so cute and they're really soft. I really like this flat edge. And they have the little twin stars and Sanrio logos in the back. These are so cute. So next item I really wanted to open is this makeup sponge holder. I was really excited about this because I just thought it was such a cute idea, and with the little cloud shape. Okay, let's open it up. So here it is, and honestly, I am not too happy with this product. As you can see here, like the cutouts aren't even cut out properly, so it kind of just shows that it's not the greatest quality. Also, it's like fully silicone, and I don't know why, but I thought it was gonna be like hard plastic, and that probably would have been nicer. But yeah, it's cute. If you're buying piece by piece of the collection, if you're not buying the entire collection, I would skip on this. I don't think it's like a big need or anything. I'm not sure if it's worth it, but this is how the sponges fit. You just put them right in there and then cover it like this. So yeah, it's cute, but I don't think it's something that you would need. Okay, so let's move on to this side of the box. We have here the Star Power makeup brush set. So again, the packaging is just so beautiful. I'm gonna feel so bad about throwing out this packaging. So here's the brush set, and there's so much more glittery and impressive than I thought they were gonna be. Like, there's so many shapes in here. And I love that one is pink and one is blue. So this seems to be just like a powder brush, and this seems to be like an eyeshadow brush. They're both really soft, and they feel like they have a really good weight to them, like they're really good quality. Last item we have here is a makeup bag, and this is like a clear vinyl sort of material, and it's got all of these little confetti glitters, and you can actually shake through the bag. So we've got a gold and blue zipper here with the little silicone star pull. You can just open and close it that way, and it's actually really roomy. Later we'll go ahead and see how many items we can fit in here. So next item or items we have here aren't necessarily makeup items, but they are for your lips. So let's go ahead and take these out and get a better look. So I went ahead and opened these up. The blue one has Kiki on the packaging and it is a lip scrub, and the pink one has Lala on the packaging and it is a lip mask. I will go ahead and swatch these for you just to let you know what they're like. The lip scrub is supposed to be like an exfoliator, will exfoliate your lips, but it also has vitamins and oils to sort of nourish and hydrate your lips. So this does feel pretty rough, and you can see a little pieces of it are left behind, and it's supposed to be, because like I said, it's gonna exfoliate your lips and get rid of all of the dead skin. Also, this smells like blueberry. It smells really good. And this is a lip mask, so it also has the vitamins and oils in it, and it is to hydrate and smooth out your lips. And I believe online it also says that it will plump your lips a bit. So this one feels really, really soft. And it also sort of smells like blueberry or like sour candy, if that makes any sense. This next item is a glow face mist, and I'm going to read to you guys a little bit about what it says online. So it says that it is a 3-in-1 finishing spray, so you can use it to set your makeup. It's got light reflecting properties that make this face mist leave your skin glowing like stars in the sky. That's really cute, and if you look closely you can sort of see like glitter or gold in there. Really pretty. Also, it says that it will give you instant hydration. It's got cold pressed coconut water and antioxidants to leave your skin hydrated and revitalized. Also, it says that you can use this as a perfect prep for your skin before your makeup. It's got dragon fruit extract, which helps to brighten your skin, and it reduces redness, which I know I could really use that because my skin is really prone to redness. So yeah, I'm really excited about it, and I think it's such a cute bottle. So this is what the spray nozzle looks like, and it's so pink. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this a little bit to show you guys sort of how it looks when it comes out. So let's go ahead and shake it first, because as you can see, some of the powder collects at the bottom. That's so pretty. So the mist is super, super fine, and it looks glowy to me, but we're gonna have to test it on her face. Next item we have here is the Starry Eyes 4-piece eyeliner set. So this set comes with 4 eyeliners in white, this looks like a yellow or gold color, a light pink, and a really pretty blue. Let's take these out and swatch them. So here are the eyeliners out of packaging, and they actually have names. We have Cloud Life, Sunshine, Daydreamer, and Sky High. Such cute names. So we're gonna start with the white one, Cloud Life. That is very pigmented. Next, we're gonna do the blue one, Sky High. That is really pearly. I'm really surprised. That is so pretty. Next, we're gonna try the pink one. This is called Daydreamer. Oh, that's very opaque as well and very light. This would be really pretty in the waterline. Last one is the yellow one, and it is called Sunshine. And this one is gold, not yellow. How pretty. I'm so excited that these are all like very wearable, usable colors, at least to me. And these are very like on brand for little twin stars. I'm really excited about that. Now we're going to move on to the lip products. We have 2 lip mousses here and 2 lip glosses. I'm really excited to try the lip mousses because I've never used a formula like that, especially not from Wet n Wild. So I'm excited to see what those look like. So here they are. I've already gone and removed the packaging. They're really, really beautiful. So like I said, we have 2 lip glosses and 2 lip mousses. These colors aren't anything I'm really used to, but we're gonna go ahead and swatch them and see what they look like on our skin. So we're gonna start with a lip mousse, and this is in the shade Lost in a Cloud. Oh wow, that's like a really bright pink, like a purpley pink. Not really something I'm used to, but it is very pretty. And as you can tell, the consistency is really light. I guess that's what they mean by mousse. So it's not going to be like a full liquid lipstick. It's more of like a lip tint or lip blush type of thing. Next shade we're going to swatch is On Candy. This shade seems a little bit darker. Oh, so this shade is darker and it's really purpley. It's also very sheer. So these are the 2 shades. They're a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm still excited to try them. So now we can swatch the lip glosses. This one is in the shade My Lucky Star, and it's sort of like a purple lilac color. Very glittery. Oh wow, that is very shiny. That is a very like wet look. That's beautiful. And it doesn't come out like too purpley, it's kind of just cool toned. The next lip gloss is more of a pink shade, and this one is called Starstruck. So you can immediately see that this one is more pink, but it's just as shiny and just as wet looking. They're both so pretty. Moving on to the face products, we have 2 complexion trio sets here. The Kiki set is the bluer one and the Lala is the pink set. Let's go ahead and swatch the blue one first. Of course, super adorable packaging. So I went ahead and removed the plastic packaging. This is what the pants look like. They're a pretty good size. So I take it this is like a sort of blush, highlighter, and then this sort of just glitter topper. Here on the back, they have names for, oh no, just letting you know that there's a blush, a highlighter, and a glitter topper. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch these. I'm going to just swatch them with my fingers. We'll start with the blush. Oh, it feels so creamy and very pigmented. I really like the way that feels. So this shade is really light. Like my complexion is pretty light and it's barely showing up. So if you like a lighter blush, this will probably work for you. Let's try the highlight. It feels creamy as well. Oh, that's super glittery. I was a little afraid that it would be like really blue, but it's not. It's more like silvery and it's really glittery. You can definitely feel all the texture in the glitter topper. It feels slightly sticky. That's a little underwhelming. Let's try a second coat. So that's pretty, but it's really not that impressive. So I already went ahead and removed the sticker, the little clear packaging from this complexion trio, so we can go ahead and swatch it. This one is so cute to me, mostly because of the little bunny details. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this packaging already. So here is the same thing, blush, highlighter, and glitter topper. We'll start with the blush. This one is a bit less creamy than the previous one, but still pretty soft. Again, really light blush. I wonder why they decided to do both blushes so light. Yeah, so it's barely showing up on my skin tone. I'll try it on my face for you guys and let you know what I think. Maybe it's just the finger swatch that isn't so great. Here's the highlighter, and wow, that is really bright. This seems like more of a wearable color than the blue one. That is pretty. I really like that. Okay, let's go ahead and try the glitter topper. It feels the same as the one in the other trio. Oh, but this one is far more impressive. Like, there's different size glitters in this one, and it just swatches better. So from both of these trios, I definitely prefer the pink one. It's just more wearable in my opinion. So here's the eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited to swatch this one for you. The packaging is absolutely perfect in my opinion. So beautiful and definitely on theme. If you turn this around, you can see that the eyeshadow names are printed here in the back. Very cute. Okay, I'm going to open this up and we can get right into it. So here's the palette opened up. We seem to have a few different textures here, some mattes, some glitters, some metallic shades. So I already swatched these. I went ahead and swatched them on my arm using this like little star and heart sticker stencil. The colors are really pretty. It seems like there's a lot of neutral tones, but the neutral tones are a little light in my opinion. Like they would fit well in probably a light skin tone, but like a medium to dark, probably not as much. The darkest colors is dark brown, and I do appreciate a dark brown in a palette, so that's nice. The blues are really pretty, as well as the purples. These glitters are kind of cheap in my opinion. I don't know if you can see here, but they're just like a chunky sort of iridescent glitter. I'll go ahead and show you what I mean. And I know a lot of people don't use much glitter, so I don't know how people are gonna feel about that. But these metallic shades are actually way prettier than the glitters. I don't know if you can see, this one's a little duochromy, like some gold in there. It's very pretty, and I was impressed by the blues. They're very pigmented and very pretty shade. So yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with the eyeshadow palette because it was a good price and the colors are cute and very wearable. So I went ahead and pulled all of the items out of the box so that we can see what fits in this little makeup bag. So here's the makeup bag. Right away, I don't think that the palette will fit. Let's go ahead and see though. Okay, so I went ahead and opened the bag up a little more and the palette was able to fit. And it actually looks like a lot more will fit in here. So let's go ahead and see what else we can put here. We'll put one of the trio face palettes. We'll put a mousse and a lip gloss. Let's see if we can fit maybe the lip mask. And then we'll try a pencil or two pencils. And wow, there's still a lot of room. Maybe let's see if the brushes will fit, because the brushes do seem a little long. Looks like both brushes fit. So in reality, you can fit so much in here. I wouldn't be surprised if you could fit the whole collection if you really wanted to. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!